CNC stock analysis next week, super interesting for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. I'm not even just saying that just to say it's an actual proof and I have everything documented. And especially with CNC, just did my bearish market here. Like, you know, I'm not even trying to over exaggerate stuff. It's just the truth, right? I just don't want you to assume that once Monday opens, I'm just gonna be selling left and right here. That's not what I'm saying. Well, all I'm saying is that only if there is a double break, I'm looking to take things further down. You know what I mean? So it's ultimately where we're sitting at. All I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And with CNC as well, I've got about 4 results here as well. So yeah, this is not financial advice. I'm just waiting for my rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.